And check out these results. Again, no wet sanding involved. What a difference. What is up, everyone? Today I'm going to show you guys how to polish out the oxidation on this Lexus GS350. This Lexus GS350 is 19 years old with over 200,000 miles. And over time, the sun, the UV rays specifically, have hazed the headlights. This can also be caused by the environmental factors of just daily driving, such as acid rain, road debris, and contaminants. It's really taking a toll on both the headlights and the fog lights. Now, there are several ways that you can polish these headlights up. I'm showing you guys the easier way, which is gonna help a wider range of the audience. There's no wet sanding involved, no risk of burning through what's left on the OEM headlights. This is the easier method, and it is the safer method. Today's method is gonna involve a Lexus G8 polisher. This is a 3-inch polisher. You can also do this by hand. We're gonna make life a little easier, and you can pick one of these up for fairly reasonable on Facebook Marketplace. You can also use a more affordable Harbor Freight polisher if you don't want to spend the $150 on the Lexus. You also want a microfiber buffing pad of some sorts. This is a heavy cut pad. Heavy cut compound, we're using the Meguiar's M100. Microfiber. And finally, you want to protect all the work that you just put in. We're going to use System X ceramic coating. Let's get into it. Pick up the compound. Just want a little bit on the pad itself. I usually do three little drops. Just like that. You want to spread it throughout the headlight. Wipe off the compound, your microfiber. On the inner headlight, we're gonna use a microfiber. I'm gonna show you this technique by hand. Just put the compound onto your microfiber, give it firm pressure, and go back and forth. Like I said earlier in this video, you can do this entire process by hand if you don't want to purchase a dual action Orbital. And check out these results. Again, no wet sanding involved. What a difference that has made. This took me about 5 minutes to do. 5 minutes to do both the outer and the inner. I did this one by hand to show that you can do it by hand. And I did this one with the Lexus G8 Orbital polisher. Here's the pad after the correction. Check that out. And just like that, with about 15 minutes of work, we're able to polish both sets of headlights as well as both sets of fog lights. We're looking way better now. The final step of all this is to protect what you just did with some ceramic coating. Now, you don't have to use System X. We are a certified System X installer, so we do use all of their products. You can use an off-the-shelf ceramic coating such as CarPro off of Amazon. There's also Avalon King and a few other ones. Honorable mentions include Fine Lab as well and Sun Coat. But some protection is better than nothing at all. And ceramic coating, for those that may not know, is slowly replacing wax. It's actually completely replaced wax in the automotive detailing scene. So that is why we're going to use it today to protect these headlights. With your microfiber applicator as well as the ceramic coating. I usually go with 2 large dots like that. That's how it is with the System X bottle. in there. Do a cross hatch pattern. And what a difference a headlight restoration does for a vehicle. Behind me is the same car. If you ask someone off the street, you would think that we installed brand new headlights. And that wraps it up for this episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. And you may be wondering where the LS and the IS are. Don't worry, I still have those two vehicles. We're gonna be making videos on those as well in the upcoming season. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. We'll catch you guys on the next one.